So I've been trying to cook meals that are easy to make, don't include a ton of ingredients, heat up well, they're well balanced yet really tasty, and I can eat it multiple times in a week because I get picky and this is definitely it. I'm gonna name this my Korean Power Bowl because I've been naming everything a Power Bowl, don't ask me why. So I'm starting off with ground bison. I just started using this. It's 90% lean and it tastes so good. I am not a ground turkey fan, but if you wanna use that, or beef, pork, chicken, whatever, this dish can use it. It's all up to you, but bison is really good. Now, this is my favorite kitchen gadget. I'll link it underneath my Amazon storefront under kitchen/kitchen gadgets. It breaks apart meat so easy. It's really fast and saves time. Now, you're just gonna get that browning, and then next we're gonna season your protein of choice. I use garlic powder, onion, smoked paprika, and fresh cracked pepper. Now, why do food shots look so good when they're in slow-mo? And I really like it so you can see how much I put, but again, just measure with your heart. And as you can see, I did not add any salt. It's all in the sauce. Look at my pinky up, so fancy. Next, I'm using my favorite gadget to add in some garlic, and I have had this gadget for probably 7-8 years when I just barely started trying to cook. And I honestly know I bought this because I said, oh, this is how you cut garlic. Okay, so I actually use this. It's so handy when you don't want to have garlic fingers and you just want to just slice up 1 to 6 cloves. You just roll it around and you're done. It doesn't stick to your cutting board. It doesn't stick to your knife, and you just toss it in and it's perfect. Then I realized I forgot to cut an onion and caramelize it first. That's the first step I do, but it's okay. Caramelizing the onion first is bonus points, but it's still cooked with the meat because there was still enough time and the stove was going, so it was fine. But I would do that first. No big deal. It wasn't a big deal. But then I said, let's not forget the green onion that I topped the dish with because I can't be forgetting that. So this is the sauce I use, and I'm so happy because, again, you can find it underneath my Amazon storefront under pantry. I can't believe they have this online. I think it's really cool though, because if you don't have an Asian market around you or overwhelms you, because there's a lot of sauces, so many sauces. Even myself going so many times, I get overwhelmed because I want to know which one's the best one. And this one is the best one for Bulgogi. It is number 1. I also linked my favorite Calbee one, which is from the same brand. Oh, give it a little taste test too, because then I said she needs a little extra splash. Again, just start little and just add from there. But remember, I didn't add any salt. It all comes from the sauce. So this is my favorite brand of sliced kimchi. I know lots of people wonder which one is best. And then I just was lazy and I got the seasoned fresh cucumber. All you need is a splash of rice vinegar, sesame oil, add sesame seeds. I can put a whole recipe down below. It's super easy, but I just bought some cucumber. Make your rice and then just add in your protein and you are set. This meal is so delicious. I can eat this 3, possibly 4 times out of the week and top with some green onion and then toasted sesame. I also linked that underneath pantry. You need the sesame. It gives like that perfect nutty taste on top. And side note, I separate my dishes because the rice and meat heat up perfect. This is Glenn's lunch, and the kimchi and cucumber stay cold. I know some people make their bowls together, but that can't happen on my page, okay? We need our meat and our rice hot and not our kimchi and cucumber. Let me know if you guys make it, and bon appetit, my sweet.